Welcome to this video on how to use the NSV Connect UC mobile phone application on Android devices. Once logged in, you will be on the dial pad screen. This default screen is used for making calls, or entering DTMF keys during a call. Along the bottom, there are other icons that give you access to other features and settings. This starts with the dial pad screen, which includes a shortcut button to access your voicemail. Contacts. This provides access to your phone's address book, or the app's favorites list. Call history. This shows incoming, outgoing, as well as missed calls. And the settings menu, which allows you to change how the app behaves. On the contacts screen, you can view all of the contacts in your phone's address book. Use the search button to find a contact. Scroll the list or choose one to dial that contact. You can add a new contact by using the plus button. Enter any information as necessary, then click the checkmark button. The settings menu includes preferences. This includes items on how the application functions with things such as contacts lookup, call waiting, forwarding, and application startup. Advanced settings include items such as hardware, push notifications, media settings, logging, and call statistics. The About screen shows the version number information for the application. To make calls, access the dial pad screen, enter the desired number, and press the green Send button. Upon entering the first digits, the UC app will start to look up the number in your contacts, allowing you to choose a destination much more quickly. You could also start to dial directly from your contact list. Once the call is connected, a menu with 6 buttons will appear. Along the top row, you have the mute button, which will mute your microphone so the other party will not hear anything. The keypad button can access the dial pad to enter any DTMF digits you may need, such as access to a voicemail box that requires a password. Speakerphone. This sets the speakerphone function. The first button along the bottom is hold. This is like a pause button, putting the call on hold and playing any hold music that is set up in the NSV Connect system. Add a call. This allows you to create a 3-person conference call. Once pressed, the first call is placed on hold. Now dial another number or choose it from your contact list. Once you are connected, you can use the switch call button to swap between the 2 calls individually. A new button is now on the menu, Merge. This will put the 2 calls together to make the conference call. To separate the 2 calls back into individual calls, press the Split Call button. The last button is the More button. This button will allow you to see the current call statistics, or transfer the call. Choosing Transfer, we can dial the number we need to transfer to, or choose it from the address book, and press the Send button. The display will show transferred if it is successful. Incoming calls can be received while your phone is locked. When you are idle, or even while you are in the middle of making an outgoing call. Thank you for watching this video on using the UC app on iOS devices. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at www.nsvconnect.com.